My son, you are a bright boy. I am no, but you know our financial position. I have a five daughter to be married and three sons to be educated, and I am a salaried person. I can't afford your expensive of IIT. Hello everyone. Today is a day 4 of I Will Do It story, and today is a very emotional part. Every Indian boy face this problem. Mostly Indians face this problem, and I think that's problem you and me. That's all. So let's start. The Narayan Murthy say I want to join IIT. Narayan Murthy say I want to join IIT. His father stopped. His father stopped reading the newspaper and he left his head. He left his head and looked at the boy and said with heavy voice, look at the boy and said the heavy voice, my son, you are a bright boy, you know our financial position. I have a five daughter to be married and other three son to be educated. I am salaried person. I can't afford your expensive at IIT. You can stay in Mysore and study as much as so want. I needed it was difficult situation that Narayan Murthy say I needed it was a difficult situation for any father to say no and to his bride's son, but circumstances were like that. It was a common then for the man to be single earning member with a large family depend on him. Narayan Murthy say this is a common reason because he's a large family depend upon one family members. So this situation is normal, Narayan Murthy say. And then his father was sad that his father his father was sad that he'd had to tell the bitter bitter truth to his son. Bitter 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 truth. Bitter truth means reality or reality of life to his son, but it could not be helped. The boy had to understand reality. The boy had understand the reality. The teenager was disappointed. Narayan Murthy, teenager. The teenager was disappointed. It seemed his dream heart burned to ashes. Burn. Heater burn. Burn means your dream is burned. Burn. To ashes. He was so near fulfill his fondest hope. He was so near his fulfill your fondest hope means he's a he was so near to complete your dream life, but yet so far his was no ne- but yet so far his heart sink and sore. Here Narayan Murthy heart is sink and sink and throw. He did not reply. He did not reply. Here never said unhappiness. He never said his unhappiness are helpless with anybody because he was an introvert person by nature. His heart was building. Heart was bleeding. Bleeding means bleeding. Heart is bleeding, but he did not get angry with nobody. But Narayan Murthy was not angry with nobody, and that's opposite side situation. The day came, his classmate was leaving for madrasa. He classmate leaving for madrasa. They were taking a train. Thank you so much if you watch this today series because today is very emotional day of Narayan Murthy. and Narayan Murthy was very understandable understandable teenager, and he doesn't understand financial position of family. But let's continue to future story, and I hope Narayan Murthy dream are complete in this story. So thank you so much for watching this series and continuously watch. And if you learn nowadays, this channel is for perfect because I am not a teacher. I am a learner just like you. I am not teacher. I am learner just like you. So you can subscribe me, because if you are not subscribed, you are not connect with me, or you are not watch my series. You are not watch my I will do it story, Narayan Murthy story. Is a struggle main story. Thank you so much.